Respiration in organisms, detailed explanation. Introduction. What is respiration? Respiration is the process by which living organisms release energy from food. Every activity, whether running, playing, studying, or even sleeping, requires energy. This energy is obtained from food through respiration. How is respiration different from breathing? Breathing is just the process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Respiration is the actual process of breaking down food inside cells to release energy. This means breathing is just a part of respiration but not the whole process. Types of respiration. 1. Aerobic respiration, with oxygen. This is the most common type of respiration that occurs in humans, animals, and most plants. Glucose, food, plus oxygen energy plus carbon dioxide plus water. A lot of energy is released because food is completely broken down. Example, walking, running, playing. We use aerobic respiration for these activities. 2. Anaerobic respiration, without oxygen. Some organisms can survive without oxygen and respire anaerobically. Glucose, food, energy plus alcohol plus carbon dioxide. In yeast, glucose, food, energy plus lactic acid. In our muscles, this produces very little energy because the food is only partially broken down. Example, in humans, during heavy exercise. When we exercise a lot, sometimes our muscles do not get enough oxygen. The muscles then switch to anaerobic respiration, producing lactic acid. This causes muscle cramps, pain in legs or arms after running. A hot water bath or massage increases blood flow, which helps in removing the lactic acid. Breathing, the process of taking in oxygen. Breathing is an involuntary process, happens automatically. It has 2 stages. 1. Inhalation, breathing in. Ribs move outward, diaphragm moves down, lungs expand, allowing air to enter. The air contains oxygen, which is needed for respiration. 2. Exhalation, breathing out. Ribs move inward, diaphragm moves up, lungs contract, pushing air out. The air contains carbon dioxide, which is a waste product of respiration. Breathing in different organisms. Humans use lungs for breathing. Insects, cockroach, grasshopper, have spiracles, tiny holes, and air tubes called trachea for breathing. Fish and amphibians. Fish breathe through gills, which extract oxygen from water. Frogs use lungs on land and moist skin in water to breathe. Earthworms breathe through moist skin. Oxygen enters directly. Why do we breathe faster during exercise? When we exercise, our body needs more energy. To get more energy, the cells need more oxygen. Our breathing rate increases to supply more oxygen. If there is not enough oxygen, the body shifts to anaerobic respiration, leading to muscle cramps. Respiration in plants. Did you know plants also respire just like us? Plants do not have lungs, but they take in oxygen through tiny pores called stomata in leaves. Oxygen is used to break down food, glucose, into energy. Carbon dioxide is released as a waste product. Roots also take in oxygen from the air trapped between soil particles. Respiration versus photosynthesis, key differences. Respiration and photosynthesis are 2 essential processes in living organisms, but they work in opposite ways. Respiration occurs in all living beings, including plants, animals, and humans. It is the process where oxygen is used to break down food, glucose, to release energy, and carbon dioxide is produced as a waste product. This process happens all the time, both during the day and at night, as energy is always needed for survival. On the other hand, photosynthesis takes place only in green plants and some bacteria. It occurs only in the presence of sunlight, where plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make their own food, glucose. Oxygen is released as a byproduct, which is essential for all living organisms. While respiration releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, photosynthesis absorbs it, maintaining the balance of gases in nature. Fun fact: do seeds breathe? Yes, if you place dry seeds in a closed bottle, they will not show any respiration. But if you soak them in water for a few hours, they will start germinating, and you will notice small bubbles of carbon dioxide forming in the water. This shows that seeds also breathe when they are active. Conclusion. Respiration is the process of releasing energy from food. It can be aerobic, with oxygen, or anaerobic, without oxygen. Different animals have different breathing organs. Plants also respire using stomata and roots. Exercise increases the breathing rate because muscles need more oxygen. Key learning. We should always breathe in fresh air and exercise regularly to keep our lungs and body healthy. Like, subscribe, share and comment.